In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo a move on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, would like to undo a move. So of course, if you want to undo a move, you'd like first of all to play against a computer. Let's say, for example, hover display and click on computer. Let's say, for example, I want to play against this person. Click choose, and here, of course, we would like to click on custom games and make sure to enable this option check back so we can undo a move. Because against an online person, let's say, for example, I just go to some of my completed games. So an online game, you cannot actually undo a move, but you can see it. You can go back and see it if you want by simply using the arrows keys in your keyboard. You can click the right arrow to go forward, the left arrow to go backward. Of course, you can go and click the bottom arrow to go to the end of the game, and the top arrow to go to the first of the game. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.